Wi-Fi not working properly on your Android 17 phone, whether it's on connect, keep disconnecting, has no internet, on turn on, or keep asking for the Wi-Fi password, don't worry, here's how you can fix this. So first you just have to turn airplane mode on and leave it on for about 30 seconds, then turn it back off. After that, restart your phone, press and hold the power button and tap restart. So once your phone turns back on, try connecting to your Wi-Fi again. If that doesn't help, make sure your battery saver or low power mode isn't turned on. These modes can sometimes limit network activity and affect your Wi-Fi connection. If it's still not working, don't worry, try cleaning your browser cache. Open the browser you use most and clear your browsing data. And close all apps and also close all open tabs. Then check if your Wi-Fi is working. And if the problem continues, the next fix has worked for many users. Open settings, go to system, and here you have to go to reset options and then go to reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection. And then you have to confirm the reset, and now you have to reconnect your Wi-Fi network using your password. Finally, if your phone shows connected but says no internet, the only way to fix it, just restart your router. So simply unplug it or turn it off, wait about 30 seconds, and then you have to plug it into power or turn it back on. So just give it a minute to reconnect, then check your Wi-Fi again. So hopefully one of this solution got your Wi-Fi working again. Let us know which fix worked for you. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix369 till end.